Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on this 2016 Ford Focus. This should be the same or similar procedure to similar year model Focuses with the 2-liter 4-cylinder. Before you start, it's a good idea to blow out any kind of debris or dust, dirt, anything that's collected on top of the engine. If you have an air compressor, just use the blower tool to clear it out. I don't have an air compressor right now, so I'm just going to use this little handheld doodad. Start by disconnecting the coil packs. Slide these white locking tabs toward you, and then press down, pull them out. Then remove the bolts that hold the coil packs down with an 8mm socket. Just grab hold of the coils and pull them up. You might have to twist them and get them to break loose a little. And before you remove the spark plugs, it's a good idea to also blow out the spark plug wells, just in case something got down there. Now you can start removing the old spark plugs. Use a 5/8 spark plug socket. If you don't already know, a spark plug socket is special in that it has a piece of rubber inside that grabs hold of the spark plug and holds it in there for you. And I'll put a link in the video description where you can buy a set of these. These are definitely the factory spark plugs. Alright, so take the new spark plug and stick it inside the spark plug socket so that it holds in, and then thread it in starting by hand. You never want to start these with a tool like a ratchet, because then you're just asking for trouble. So just spin it in a couple of threads by hand until you know for sure it's started, and then you can come in with the ratchet. Once they're snug, just give them about 1/8 of a turn or so. I'll take some dielectric grease and put it in the tip of the spark plug boot. It just helps the boot slide onto the spark plug more easily, and also seals out moisture. At this point, you're ready to start bolting the coils back down. Start them all by hand. Be very careful not to over-tighten these because you will damage the valve cover. And just reinsert the connectors until you hear a click. And then push the locking tab back towards the firewall. And that's it. You're done.